Here's the Elliott wave forecast for August 31st, 2011. On the Dow 10-minute chart, um, I have a feeling that we might have formed a flat four on a zigzag, upward zigzag. I mean, this would be A, this would be B, and then probably get a C down because this should have been 1, 2, 3 instead of getting 1, 2, 3. There was a really fast fade at the close. There was a guy on CNBC who was like going, yo, blah, 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 blah. And then supposedly he talked the market down. I remember that guy. He was like, I don't know who it was, but he was yelling at the screen, trying to push the market down, and I think he did. I don't know if that really happened, but that's what it seemed like. But anyway, I wanted to see 1, 2, 3 out of this, and we got an ABC out. So I have a feeling that we this could be a flat four, A, B, and then C, which means the worst case scenario is that we drop down and test 11,425 in the Dow, or 11,230 approximately. So I'm guessing that either we gap down and test that level, or we gap up and form the full 3 to 11,800. It's kind of 50-50 right now because the futures are kind of flat. S&P futures are down about 2, which doesn't really mean anything right now. But I'm gonna be watching the futures all night on my website and see what happens between 2 and 3 a.m. But I have a feeling that we might gap down and test 11,430 in a C wave for S&P, which is the reason why I sold my Amazon. Yeah, I had 2,000 shares of Amazon that I bought at 205.50 and I sold it at 210.50. So got about 5 points. Pretty good trade. I could have had 7 points, but I didn't see this. The fate of the close was just very irritating, and it should have been a full 3, but it looks like again we could get a C wave down tomorrow. For S&P, doesn't look that bad actually for S&P. But if this is A, this is B, and then we get a C down, we might go down and test 1195. But it depends on the futures. We could gap up and then go all the way to 1240, or we can gap down and go all the way to 1195. It's 50-50 right now. Since I don't really know what's gonna happen, I usually just sell and say, hey, I don't know the wave count right now. So it's a 50-50 chart, and I don't want to have that 50% chance that it gaps down and I lose all my profit in Amazon. So if Amazon gaps down too, it could go all the way down to 205, and then I lose all my profit. So 5 points is great, and yeah, I got a bunch of donations because of that. Anyway, for Nasdaq, doesn't look that bad. It's like this could be A, B, and C, but Nasdaq really didn't fade that bad. It was the Dow that got hammered. That's kind of weird. But yeah, if we get a full upper 3, we go to as high as 26.25, 26.50 in the Nasdaq. But if we gap down, we might test 25.33. I just don't know right now. It's a 50-50 shot at both directions right now, so I can't give a definitive target in both directions. But yeah, actually, I mean, I can give a definitive target in both directions, but I don't know which way it's going to go. So when I don't know, I sell. So don't worry. I didn't sell because I thought we were going to crash or anything. I just didn't know the wave count, because this could be this could be A, B, and C down, or we can get a full upper 3. I just don't know. But we're approaching my targets, and I figured, hey, I got a sizable profit. I made 4 consecutive really good trades in the past couple weeks, a couple Apple trades and a couple Amazon trades. So I'm doing pretty well right now. That's a wrap.